What if I told you that adorable penguins are actually dangerous for you and me? You probably wouldn't believe it, right? You'd probably say, come on, what kind of joke is this? But when we found out that penguins are damaging our environment and are responsible for global warming, we were shocked. So today, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about penguins. Stay with us until the end because this is going to blow your mind. Penguins look super cute and they mostly live in cold regions. Antarctica and the areas around it are their favorite spots. But you can also find penguins in South Africa, Chile, Peru, and New Zealand. The temperature where they live? Around -40 degrees Celsius. That's so cold that you and I would probably freeze to death in just 5 minutes. Here's the crazy part. Penguins can't fly like other birds, but they're incredible swimmers. They can swim in water that's -1.8 degrees Celsius. If we even tried to get in water that cold, we'd be in serious trouble. Penguins can dive up to 100 feet deep. And get this, the deepest dive ever recorded by a penguin? 1,700 feet. We can't even touch that freezing water. And these guys are breaking records left and right. Now, you might think penguins only live in the ocean, but that's not true. They spend just as much time on land as they do in water. When it comes to food, penguins eat fish, squid, and krill. But sometimes, while hunting for food, they become prey themselves. Leopard seals, sea lions, sharks, and orcas all hunt penguins. That's why penguins don't dive into deep ocean waters at night. Here's something interesting. Penguins aren't afraid of humans. They don't see us as a threat at all. There are 18 different species of penguins in the world. The emperor penguin is the largest. It can grow up to 4 feet tall and weigh up to 100 pounds. These birds huddle together in groups to keep warm. The smallest penguin? That's the little blue penguin, which is only 10 to 12 inches tall and weighs just over 3 pounds. They live for about 6 years. Want to know the fastest penguin? The Gentoo penguin can swim at speeds of 22 miles per hour underwater. Now here's where things get crazy. Scientists have been using satellites to monitor penguins in Antarctica. These satellites cover millions of square kilometers, and they found some weird stains on the ice that looked like random marks at first glance. But these weird stains, they're penguin poop. Here's the thing, penguins have a really strange digestive system and they poop constantly. If you're standing near them, even if you're trying to keep your distance, they can still hit you with their poop. Why? Because their poop shoots out at almost 5 miles per hour and can travel up to 4 feet away. During nesting season, most penguin species gather on land. So scientists can easily spot where penguin nests are just by looking at all the poop. They use satellites to track penguin diets and even count baby penguins. But here's the problem. Wherever penguins go, they spread their waste all around. They basically trash the place. Now, penguin poop by itself isn't really a problem, but here's what should make your ears perk up. This poop is causing global warming. Penguin poop contains nitrogen-rich compounds like uric acid and guanine, and because of this, penguins release huge amounts of nitrous oxide gas. This gas is terrible for nature. Why? Because this gas is causing global warming around Antarctica. Here's the really scary part. The gas released from penguin poop is 300 times more dangerous than carbon dioxide. And because millions of penguins in Antarctica are constantly releasing this gas, global warming is hitting Antarctica first and hardest. Scientists estimate that if all the glaciers on Earth melted, sea levels would rise by 213 feet. That means our planet would become even more submerged in water. Low-lying countries like the Maldives would be completely underwater. Even coastal areas in our own country would disappear beneath the waves. So now you know why these cute little penguins are actually so dangerous. And that's when they leave their parents. Then the babies take their first dive into the ocean, usually around December or January. Emperor penguins, which live for about 20 years, keep their babies on their feet under a fold of skin to protect them from touching the ice. This technique also keeps baby penguins safe from predator animals. So there you have it, the shocking truth about penguins. These adorable creatures are actually contributing to one of the biggest threats facing our planet. Which penguin fact surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our amazing content.